Investing in a virtual assistant is akin to planting the seeds of success for your business. Imagine having a skilled professional to handle all sorts of administrative tasks, allowing you, the CEO, to focus on what truly matters for your company's growth. Virtual assistants, executive assistants, and personal assistants regularly save their managers up to 36 hours a week. And this is without taking into consideration the opportunity cost of all the high-impact solutions that you're going to implement using that time that you're winning back with the help of a good assistant. But here's the burning question: how much should you pay for this invaluable asset? In this video, we'll delve into the world of virtual assistants, exploring various hiring strategies, and unveiling why Eastern Europe emerges as the hidden gem in this realm. Are you curious to discover how you can elevate your business with a top-notch assistant without breaking the bank? Stay tuned. When it comes to hiring a virtual assistant, businesses often grapple with the decision of whether to hire locally or remotely from places like Southeast Asia. However, Eastern Europe emerges as a sweet spot, offering unparalleled value for money. Eastern Europeans are highly educated, which brings them to the same level of competence as Western talent, and they also have a good cultural and time zone compatibility with Western countries. With hourly rates ranging from $10 to $15, Eastern European virtual assistants provide a high-quality service at half the cost of their counterparts from the United States and other Western countries. If we're speaking about a senior assistant who has experience in recruitment and project management and has been working for companies like yours for many years before, this is going to be approximately $25 per hour, which is still way cheaper than a senior professional you would hire locally. And the best part, all Eastern Europeans are tax residents of their own countries and they manage their taxes themselves. So there is no need to navigate taxes, insurances, and Western bureaucracy. And this is even on top of having an impeccable working ethic and a good stable internet connection. I know that there are many videos out there promoting hiring cheap virtual assistants from places like India, Pakistan, or the Philippines, but $3 per hour virtual assistants aren't the solution, and they have never been. It doesn't even matter where they're from. You pay $3 per hour, you get a $3 per hour quality. Mainly it's because they lack competence and they don't have an ambition or a growth mindset to be able to own projects within the business. Additionally to a poor responsiveness and reliability. In this video right here, we have dived deep into comparison between hiring from different regions: the US, India, the Philippines, and Eastern Europe. Virtual assistants from the Philippines can be good for many things, but once you try Eastern European talent, I promise you're never going back. Payment structure. Now that you've found the perfect Eastern European virtual assistant, the next question is how to structure their payment. Depending on your business size and task's complexity, you can opt for an hourly or a monthly payment model. This flexibility ensures that you pay exactly what you need, aligning seamlessly with your business needs and budget constraints. An average monthly salary of a highly experienced Eastern European assistant would be $1,700 to $2,000 per month, in comparison to $4,500 to $6,000 per month for the local US assistant, which means that outsourcing your work to an Eastern European assistant will not only greatly improve your business processes and scale your business, but also save you up to 80% of your hiring costs. And by the way, this salary is considered good money in Eastern Europe, so the person will also be highly motivated to continue working for you. Navigating the hiring process. Finding the right virtual assistant can be challenging. While social media, job posting websites, and freelance platforms offer channels to find candidates, the process itself can be overwhelming. The real hurdle is not in finding people that want your job, but in the extensive time and effort required to vet through numerous candidates. On average, while hiring, business owners spend up to 20 hours a week trying to analyze each application they receive, screen candidates, schedule them, and spend time interviewing even those who's never had the potential to begin with. If you have better things to do with your time, here's an ultimate solution. At HireUA, we streamline the hiring process, placing top-level Eastern European virtual assistants into your business at record speed. Click the link below and book a call with our team to learn about our candidates and the salaries. With our awesome team's assistance, you can redirect your focus to high-leverage activities, propelling your business forward, and also have your next rockstar virtual assistant start in less than a week. Investing in an Eastern European virtual assistant not only saves you money, but also grants you access to top-tier professionals. With reasonable hourly rates, flexible payment structures, and the support of recruitment agencies like HireUA, the path to business success becomes clearer than ever. Don't just build a business, build a legacy with the right virtual assistant by your side. Now go ahead and take the crucial step toward unlocking the full potential of your business. And if you want to learn about the best questions to ask on an interview, click on this video right here, and my colleague Anastasia will coach you on how to conduct the most efficient interview.